Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, where we simplify crypto, DeFi, and blockchain to help you achieve financial freedom. Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin can be used on the Ethereum blockchain, or why wrap tokens like WBTC and wETH are such a big deal in the crypto space? Wrap tokens are key to making different blockchains work together, unlocking powerful possibilities in decentralized finance. In today's video, I'll give you a simple and engaging explanation of wrap tokens, what they are, how they work, why they matter, and how you can use them to level up your crypto game. I'll also introduce tools like TradingView, Glassnode, and more to track and manage wrap tokens effectively. Check the description for links to essential tools. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are wrap tokens? Let's start with the basics. A wrap token is a crypto asset that represents another cryptocurrency on a different blockchain. It's like a digital wrapper that allows a token from one blockchain to be used on another. For example, wrapped Bitcoin is Bitcoin that can be used on the Ethereum network. Wrapped Ethereum is Ethereum that's compatible with certain DeFi protocols. These wrap tokens have the same value as the original asset, but allow you to interact with blockchains or platforms where the original asset isn't supported. Part 2. Why do wrap tokens exist? Most blockchains are not interoperable, meaning they can't directly communicate with each other. Bitcoin, for instance, cannot natively interact with Ethereum's smart contracts. Wrap tokens solve this problem by acting as bridge assets between blockchains. Key reasons wrap tokens are important. 1. Interoperability enables different blockchains to work together. 2. Liquidity adds liquidity to DeFi platforms, allowing Bitcoin holders to participate in DeFi without selling their BTC. 3. Utility lets users leverage their assets for yield farming, lending, or trading in ecosystems they otherwise couldn't access. Part 3. How do wrap tokens work? Here's a simple breakdown of how wrap tokens are created and used. 1. Deposit the original asset. A user deposits the original token, for example, BTC, with a custodian or smart contract. 2. Minting. The custodian mints an equivalent amount of wrap tokens, for example, WBTC, on the new blockchain. 3. Using the wrap token. The wrap token can now be used in DeFi protocols, traded or held. 4. Burning. When you want the original asset back, the wrap token is burned, and the custodian releases the original token to you. Part 4. Benefits of wrap tokens. Wrap tokens unlock for powerful advantages in the crypto world. 1. Access to DeFi. Bitcoin holders can access Ethereum-based DeFi protocols like Uniswap, Auth, or Curve using WBTC. 2. Enhanced liquidity. Wrap tokens bring liquidity from other blockchains into DeFi platforms, boosting overall market efficiency. 3. Cross-chain utility. You can use assets like BTC or ETH on blockchains that don't natively support them, expanding their use cases. 4. Price stability. Wrap tokens are pegged one-to-one to the original asset, ensuring their value remains stable and predictable. Part 5. Risks of wrap tokens. While wrap tokens are a game changer, there are 3 risks to keep in mind. 1. Custodian risk. The custodian holding the original asset must be trustworthy. If it's compromised, you could lose your funds. 2. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Wrap tokens rely on smart contracts, which can be hacked or exploited. Always use well-audited protocols. 3. Network fees. Using wrap tokens on Ethereum can come with high gas fees, especially during network congestion. Part 6. Popular wrap tokens. Let's take a look at some of the most commonly used wrap tokens. 2. Wrapped Bitcoin. The most popular wrap token, WBTC, lets you use Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. 2. Wrapped Ethereum. Ethereum wrapped in ERC20 form, making it compatible with all Ethereum-based DeFi protocols. 3. Wrapped BNB. Binance Coin BNB that can be used in other ecosystems like Ethereum or Polygon. 4. Wrapped Solana. Solana tokens wrapped for use on Ethereum or other networks. Part 7. Tools to track and manage wrap tokens. To stay on top of your wrap token investments, you'll need the right tools. TradingView. Track price movements and trends for wrap tokens like wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped Ethereum. Glassnode. Analyze on-chain data to see how wrapped tokens are being used across different DeFi platforms. Coinstats, monitor your portfolio and track the value of your wrapped tokens in real time. 3. Use trading bots to automate trades involving wrapped tokens and maximize profits. Part 8. How to get started with wrapped tokens. Here's how you can start using wrapped tokens today. 1. Choose a DeFi platform. Platforms like wETH, Uniswap, and Curve support popular wrapped tokens. 2. Acquire wrapped tokens. Convert your Bitcoin to wrapped Bitcoin or Ethereum to wrapped Ethereum using protocols like REN or BitGo. 3. Start earning. Use your wrapped tokens for staking, liquidity provision, or trading to earn passive income. Wrapped tokens are a powerful innovation that bridges the gap between blockchains, enabling greater liquidity, interoperability, and utility in the crypto space. Whether you're looking to earn yield on your Bitcoin or expand your DeFi strategies, wrapped tokens can open up exciting new possibilities. If this video helped you understand wrapped tokens, smash that like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on notifications for more simple and engaging crypto guides. Check the description for links to essential tools like TradingView and Glassnode to track and manage your wrapped tokens. Thanks for watching.